I rise slowly, century by century, learning from every dawn. My arms reach upward, opening, thanking, feeling sky, welcoming rain. I shelter birds and dreams alike. I teach patience. Greatness takes time to grow. Saguaros are water reservoirs and store thousands of gallons of water in their pleated stems to survive desert droughts. Arms take time. Saguaros usually grow their first arms when they are 50 to 70 years old. Even in stillness, I am full of life. The desert tests me, but I turn sunlight into strength. Stand still long enough, and you'll understand endurance. Let me remind you, connect to the earth, reach high. Advice from a saguaro: stand tall, reach for the sky, be patient through the dry spells. Conserve your resources, think long term, wait for your time to bloom. Stay sharp.